Data Exploration and Preparation with BigQuery by Mike Kahn provides a comprehensive guide to leveraging Google BigQuery for understanding, cleaning, transforming, and analyzing data to derive valuable business insights. The book addresses the challenges faced by data professionals in handling large volumes of data, dealing with data silos, and the lack of appropriate tools. Through practical examples and case studies, readers learn how to assess data quality, cleanse data, and prepare it for analysis, visualization, and machine learning. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Key features: utilizing mock datasets to explore data using BigQuery tools such as the Web UI, BQCLI, and BigQuery API in the Cloud Console. Mastering optimization techniques for storage and query performance in BigQuery. Engaging with case studies covering data exploration and preparation for advertising, transportation, and customer support data. Data exploration and preparation with BigQuery starts by introducing the basics of BigQuery and the fundamentals of data exploration and preparation. The book progresses to demonstrate practical techniques for using BigQuery to handle various data formats and conditions. It emphasizes the importance of proper table structuring for query efficiency and adherence to data preparation best practices. Through real-world case studies, readers learn how to solve common data problems using BigQuery. This book is aimed at data analysts looking to enhance their data exploration and preparation skills using BigQuery. It is also valuable for anyone using BigQuery as a data warehouse to extract business insights from large datasets. While a basic understanding of SQL, reporting, data modeling, and transformations is helpful, the book provides practical guidance for readers at various skill levels.